How to use restaurant gift card on DoorDash. Open the DoorDash app on your phone or go to DoorDash.com in a web browser. Log into your DoorDash account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Browse and select the restaurant where you want to order food. Note that most restaurant-specific gift cards only work if the restaurant has a delivery option directly on DoorDash. Add the food and drinks you want to your cart. When you reach the checkout page, look for the payment section. If your gift card is a DoorDash gift card, click the redeem gift card and enter this 11-digit code to apply the balance to your order. If your gift card is a Visa, MasterCard, or other prepaid card, add it as a payment method by entering the card details under payment methods and use it to pay for your order. Keep in mind, restaurant-specific gift cards typically cannot be used directly on DoorDash unless the restaurant specifically allows gift card payments through DoorDash, which is quite rare. For those, it's better to order directly through the restaurant's own app or website. Review your order and complete the checkout to place your DoorDash order using the gift card balance or prepaid card payment amount. Card payment options. Subscribe.